everyone, I am Manjot Kaur.
Hi everyone, I am Shivanshu.
Hello everyone, this is Aryan Chavla here. I'm a proud student of BBA Retail Management Program at Maruti Power Up of Maharishi Markandeshwar, deemed to be a university.
I am filled with profound sense of gratitude towards the mentors, faculty and peers.
This program actually privileged me for applying classroom concept to business scenario. It has immersive experience which helps me in holistic development.
Who have inspired and supported me at every level, understanding consumer behavior, mastering intricacies of supply chain management.
To navigate the retail world through the collaboration with Maruti Suzuki India Limited, students gain practical knowledge, systematical knowledge, industrial relevant skills and understanding the consumer behavior.
This retail program has given so much information about the marketing industry, of course, and how to be great at it.
I am enthusiastic about the potential to join the Maruti Suzuki team and leverage my academic backgrounds.
Moreover, Maruti is giving stipend even before graduation, so it is a good opportunity of earn while you learn. This course is a combined package of skills and confidence to boost up your career. Thanks to MMDU, thanks to Maruti.
Thanks to MMDU.